Time now for NTV's First Alert weather forecast.
Well, welcome back. We are seeing lots of sunshine already this morning. One thing, though, you'll have to watch for some fog. If you look very closely on our VR wireless camera network in the Kearney area, you can see some of that fog in the distance. It's fairly patchy currently across the area. 63 though this morning in Kearney. Southeast winds very light, right at 3 miles per hour. We are seeing several spots in the 60s. Some spots have dropped down in those upper 50s, including places like Ord, Lexington, as well as McCook. But temperatures this afternoon will be warm once again. Not going to feel that humidity quite as high as the last couple of days, but it is going to be there a little bit in some spots. Now, futurecast, that's what we want to check out for tonight, because there is the possibility for some scattered showers and storms in western Nebraska as we head into this evening, and also the possibility for maybe a few strong to severe storms in western areas as we head into this evening. Otherwise, we'll be really eyeing Saturday afternoon and into Saturday evening. This front is where we'll be watching the focus for shower and storm development and some strong to severe storms as well, beginning in the afternoon and then really picking up as we head toward the evening hours and still lingering even into the overnight hours and a chance into the day on Sunday. Not everyone will still see that lingering precipitation for the day on Sunday, but there is that possibility for at least some areas of showers and storms throughout the daytime hours. Now, in terms of our severe outlook for Saturday, we do have a marginal risk in this darker green shading. So it stretches from northern Nebraska down into portions of northern Kansas. So near this marginal risk, we could see some strong to severe storms developing beginning in the afternoon hours, continuing into tomorrow evening. Main threats are going to be large hail and damaging winds if we do see any of that severe activity developing, but something to keep in mind if you have any outdoor activities planned for tomorrow afternoon and evening. Dry conditions expected today for the Tri-Cities. We'll have to watch for that patchy fog this morning, 86 for a high, and winds up to around 15 miles per hour. We'll still see those winds up to around 15 miles per hour tonight with mostly clear skies and a low right around 64, which is above normal for this time of year. 83 for the day tomorrow with a slight chance for showers and storms beginning in the afternoon hours. For the Tri-Cities, winds will be breezy at times with gusts up to around 20 miles per hour. So highs for today mainly going to be in those 80s. Looking at 86 today in Lincoln, a high of 87 in McCook. Now for overnight, 60s for lows, and then into the day tomorrow, we'll start to see that cooler air starting to inch into portions of western and northern Nebraska. 75 for a high tomorrow in Ainsworth, 76 in O'Neill. Now we're going to see some big drops in temperatures in parts of the area. Ahead of that front, tomorrow we'll see highs in the 80s and then highs only in the 60s heading into the day on Sunday. But those 60s don't last for long. We'll see highs in the 70s for the Tri-Cities beginning on Monday, continuing through Thursday. And there's another chance for showers and storms. Right now, looking at around a 50% chance for the day on Tuesday. So not a chance every day, so that is the good news, but there are some decent chances within the next 7 days.
That's what we've come to. It's not going to rain every day.
I know. Well, we had some stretches there.
Yeah.
We had at least some slight chances every single day, so at least we've kind of broke that pattern.
Yeah, that's good.
But it still looks like we'll have some rain around some days.
All right. Thanks, Regina.